Hi everybody, Chris from Westward Industries. I wanted to do a quick video in our staging area before a few of these vehicles ship today. This is a GO-4 parking enforcement vehicle mounted with Genetec Autovu ALPR. So highly efficient machine for parking enforcement, curb management. We integrate all the hardware at the factory, so this arrives pretty much ready to go. You will get in a channel partner for software integration. But you can see here we've already mounted the cameras. Tablet is here. We've pushed our car display off to the left so there's actually room for the operator to work. And then we've ran the harness to the back where you see the main Genetec controller or computer with a safety cage around it that we design and build. So really there's a lot in a small unit, and you still get all the virtues of a GO-4, which is a 9-foot turning radius, dual sliding doors, and you still have a lot of access. So you can see here I'm over 6 feet tall, and I still have my tablet. I have an optional keyboard, my display, dual sliding doors, air conditioning. So really an efficient, quick little unit for parking enforcement. In my opinion, still a superior vehicle for parking enforcement, especially when you still have to place citations on dashes. You still have to stop often, and no other vehicle does it like this one. Just wanted to share this before we ship this vehicle to Gloucester, Massachusetts. For any questions, please contact us or one of our authorized dealers. Thank you.